Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on the state Goa. You can also write this essay under the topic 10-line essay on my state Goa. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Goa is the smallest state in Western India. Line number 2 is, it is fondly known as the Rome of the East. Third line is, it is also known as the land of beaches. Next line, that is line number 4 is, it is famous for its Portuguese reigns, as the Portuguese ruled the state for many years. Line number 5 is, the capital of the state is Panji. Next line, that is line number 6 is, Vasco da Gama is the most beautiful and largest city of this state. Line number 7 is, Konkani is the official language of the state. Line number 8 is, it is quite famous for the unique shade of its culture. Next line, that is line number 9 is, it is one of the most desired tourist destinations of India. Last line, continuous efforts are being made in the development of the state.